Right. All right. Very good. So,
we got a toilet game. Well, what is it called?
So we decided that we're going to do something just a little bit different today for you guys. So since the Christmas holiday is coming up, we decided we were going to test out a couple of toys. So we bought a toilet game. That's it. We bought this thing. It's called Toilet Trouble. And apparently, according to the back, it's kind of a messy game. It looks like you go ahead and you play this game, and it's going to squirt toilet water in your face. So...
Well, we need real water.
So stick around, and we're going to play...
The toilet.
The Toilet Trouble. Okay, and welcome back. So we are going to play this game right here. It's called...
Toilet Trouble.
So... let's see what's in the box, and then we'll go from there. So, let's see. Can you get it open?
No.
Okay, let's see if I can get it open. So, I don't know. Maybe I can't get it open.
I know how.
Maybe. And, aha! Success! We got it open. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. So,
a toilet.
Apparently there's a toilet. There is nothing else in the box.
Oh.
It's all connected.
What is this?
Oh, looks like those might be the instructions. So, let's see. What do we got in here? What do we got? Let's take a look at the instructions first. It says...
What's we have?
Okay, so they have this little... Oh, it's like this. It's one little page book on the Toilet Trouble game. And it says that the object is the flush without getting the gush. That's what it says. The last player left who doesn't get sprayed wins. Which should be me, hopefully. All right, so first thing we need to do is apparently put this thing together. Okay, so I guess first thing we need to do is get all these pieces out of the box. So let's see if we can get this out of the box. We'll see. Let's see. Okay, so we have one piece. Don't drop it. We have... What is this?
Oh, it's supposed to be making sounds.
Oh, it makes sounds too. I wonder what type of sounds a toilet would make. All right. Probably like a flushing sound. What do you think? So, oh, look at that. It is, look at this. It's actually tied in with like a string. So we're going to see if we can get this undone. This looks like, what kind of string is this? This is like some kind of recycled something string. It looks like maybe it might have been something else beforehand. I don't know. All right. Oh, look at that. We have part 2. Okay. Now I guess there's more string or something over here going on. Let's see. What is this going on? Oh, it's not going in that way. Let's do it this way. Let's see. Oh, look at that. I'm in business. So, how you doing? Wait, don't put anything in your hands. I'm going to instruct you on how to put this thing together. But first, we have to have all the pieces out.
Yep.
So,
Hey, I know how to put this.
I think that's like trash there, kid. So, let's see. So far, I'm not seeing anything. Let's do this. Let's see. This one. Aha!
Oh.
We made it. So,
That's the bottom of it.
that looks like the bottom of the toilet. Yes. Okay. So then we have to take all this out. Oh my gosh, this is like
Oh my god.
ridiculously difficult here. And let's see what we got going on here. Now, oh, there we go. Part 3. So far, so good. And this looks like it might be... Wait a second. All right. So we got lots of trash. We get rid of the trash. Okay. Now, wait. We got to... Part 1. You need to carefully slide... Wait a minute. Carefully slide the notches of the toilet base. The toilet base. Into the game base. Game base.
What?
Game base. So this must sit in there. Can you put it in there? Not this. Put that in there.
Yeah.
Carefully. So far, so good. Carefully. Anything? Maybe it goes the other way. Turn it around the other way. See if it goes that way. Doesn't really have a direction. It says put it carefully. Slide the notches to the toilet base through the holes in the game base.
I can't do it.
Well, hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe I can do it. Oh, we'll just break one of the two. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it doesn't go this way. Maybe it goes this way. It doesn't really have a... Oh. I think we're... Oh, yeah! Look at that! Ha! It made it work!
No.
It is now... Wait a minute. Now you need the toilet.
I'll do this.
Onto the base of the toilet. Attach the toilet bowl to the toilet base as shown.
Like this.
As shown. See? Right there. As shown. Can you focus?
Like this.
Focus, camera, focus. Now, did it work? I don't think that's working here. So, does it go this way? Or does it? No, it doesn't go that way. Does it go this way? Does it go this way? Does it go this way? Let's see. Hold on.
Now this
I don't think smacking it's going to work, even though sometimes you would like to. Oh, look at that. Ha! We have... Oh, wait, sorry. This way. We have a toilet, sort of.
Now
Now,
this one.
wait for it. Wait for it. Now, attach the toilet tank.
This is the toilet tank.
Correct. To the toilet bowl as shown. As shown. Very good. Until the parts click together. So how about we put them like so. Till the parts click to... Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
It looks like a toilet.
Now it needs batteries.
I don't know. Let's see. Now, is there anything else? The first time you play, replace the batteries.
See,
Oops.
we don't have batteries.
Oh, we should have bought batteries. Okay, well, let's try it without the batteries and see what happens. Okay. Now that we have one time assembled it, thank God that we don't have to do that again. Okay. Prior to playing the game, thoroughly clean all surfaces using only tap water. We gotta clean it
How?
using tap water.
No.
Did you bring any tap water? What are we gonna do?
We just get some regular water, I guess.
We could. Okay, so it says make sure the toilet lid is flipped to the upward position. Upward position. Check.
Check.
Prepare the toilet for gameplay by pressing down on the handle up to 30 times. Oh no. Okay. So, first we need water. We'll be right back.
Dad, you can get the water.
I'll get the water.
Good job.
Yeah.
With my cup. With my Paw Patrol cup, okay? So I will look after you, okay? Let's do this. See it? Yeah. Okay.
And we're back. Not yet. All right. Wait for it. Okay, and we're back.
Now,
So now that we've
wash it.
we washed it with tap water, it's clean. We also
Need to put the
still don't have batteries, but that's okay. It came with batteries. Okay, it's all right. We'll try it with batteries. If we don't need, All right. Prepare the toilet for gameplay. Okay, so we're apparently, fill the toilet bowl to fill line. Fill the toilet bowl to the fill line. Okay, look, and inside, I don't know if you can see this. There's a little line right there that tells you how far to fill it. You see the toilet, the fill line right there. See that line? Only put water in that much. The suspense is killing me. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. Right there. Okay. So we put the water to the side. We might need some more later. Now it says...
You have to drain it.
Not yet. So... so now what we need to do is flush the toilet until the water starts to come out. We're basically priming the pump here. Push down. Okay. All right. Very good. So now, excellent. Now we got some water to come out through the little nozzle in there. And the game works best when played on a flat surface. Good thing we have a table.
Yeah.
Because that helps. Flat surface. Whew. All right. Now it's time to play. That's what it says. Let's play. Really? It says, let's play. Now, on your turn, all right, place the toilet in front of you with the toilet bowl facing you.
This is my turn.
Okay, he's going to go first.
Yep.
Okay. Now, you want to spin the toilet paper and then press. No, don't cheat. You press the toilet paper. You press it the number of times that it tells you on the toilet paper.
No.
And the little arrow. See, look, check this out. So you spin this toilet paper, has numbers on it. Where this little arrow is will tell you where you are to.
First is your turn.
Oh no, you got it. That's all you.
Well, first we have to get that to drain.
No. All right. You have number 2. Wait a minute.
No.
Press down firmly on the handle to flush the toilet the number of times shown on the spinner. So push down 2 times. Nope, too late. You already got 2. Push down. And he already lost. I win! Ah! Very
We have
good.
to try one more time.
Okay. If you hear a flushing sound but no water is sprayed when you flush, you are safe. It is the next player's turn. If you get sprayed by the gush of water, you're out.
It's your turn.
So you're out. So you continue to take turns spinning the toilet paper roll and flushing until the one player is left. Only the player not getting sprayed wins. Are you ready?
Yeah. First,
With
your
instructions. Well,
your
that was
turn
fun.
first.
Okay, my turn. All right, we're going to spin the toilet paper. I don't know if I want to have my glasses on or not for this. 3. I got 3. Let's see. 1. So far, so
No,
good.
you have to look in.
I'm looking. 2. And 3. Okay, your turn. Once again, spin. All right, what do you got? 2 times for Bruno. Yes! I am so good at this game.
Give me try one more time.
Oh, sure. So he's already used one of my shots. Okay, I see. And so, 3. Oh, it's a good chance I'm getting wet. 1. 2. 3. Okay. You spin it there, toilet boy. We got 3. 1. 2.
Oh, yeah.
Got saved. Okay, my turn again. I'm scared. Okay, I spin it. I have 2.
No, 1.
That's 1. Let's see the arrow. 2. Ready?
Give me 1.
Ah.
No, you.
I already got squirted. All right, spin first. Spin first. Now, this is very important to make sure that you spin. He's got to do it 3 times. Okay, ready, go. 1, 2. He got it again. Very good.
It sued me in the eye.
Got him right in the eyeball. Now, okay, here we're going to spin. I got 1. Wait. And guess what?
No,
You cheated.
no, I tried to help you.
I bet you did, but you did it too quick. I would have got squirted.
Well, you did got
I
swole.
got my ear got squirted. All right.
No.
So, what do you think? Do you think this is a fun game? Do you think it's a fun game?
Yeah.
What? No way. All right, here we go. And, I got 3. You got me!
Oh! Win.
So apparently we don't need new batteries. This one's working just fine.
Yeah.
Just fine. So, what do you think? Was it a fun game?
Yeah, just try again.
All right, let's do one more round, and then we will go. All right,
And we can play another game. How about that?
maybe.
How about the one with the queen?
Spit in the toilet.
2.
No, that's 3. 1, 2.
It's playing both of us.
I miss me. 3. Okay. Once you get wet, you don't have to finish it. Okay. So that's the thing. So I can spin it. All right. Ooh, I got a real one.
No, 2.
Still, it's on a 1. Ready?
No, 2.
Okay, yep. So, what do you think about the
2.
Huh? 1 and 2. Still nothing. And what do you think about the toilet trouble game?
Yeah.
Is it a fun game?
Yeah.
Excellent. Yep. I think it's pretty fun.
I can
The ages on this thing, I lost it. The ages on this are 4 plus, so can be lots of fun for little tiny toddlers as well as bigger kids. And that's just about going to do it for us for this video. If you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Of course, you know the drill. And always remember, adventure is everywhere and family is everything. Say bye, Bruno.
Bye.